In the convergence scenario, neither computation nor energy generation achieve fundamental breakthroughs by 2041. But previously unconnected fields of science and technology converge to support computation, communication, and energy efficiency for a data-intensive society. This drives novel computing architecture and enables the Internet of Everything, devices that can connect, compute, and sense with minimal energy requirements. Enabling technology such as over-the-air energy and information broadcasting reduce the need for batteries and cabling, allowing for more small-scale devices and shrinking the demand for materials. Devices are simplified to make them maintenance-free and easily recyclable, and people commonly use brain-computer interfaces to interact with technology. Manufacturing companies use automation and the Internet of Things to reduce downtime and maintenance, and cloud-resident AI continuously improves manufacturing operations whilst optimizing links to outside supply chains. Smart houses connect to smart electrical grids and monitor the environment to reduce waste, eliminate accidents, and notify people of risks. Smart clothing constantly monitors health, and non-invasive bioelectronic medicine uses wearables to manage chronic conditions from allergies to cancer. The organisations that succeed in the Convergence 2041 scenario will be those that spot it early, integrating their systems to make the most of opportunities and efficiencies, and investing in networked technology.